Do you have an older dryer that needs repair? I'll show you how to fix a common problem that will save you time and money and avoid you having to call a repairman.
Hey guys, I'm Daires, the DIY Power Couple, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a dryer timer.
So let's get started. Here are some of the tools you'll need. I found my dryer timer on Amazon. They have many other dryer models and parts to choose from. Step 1. Unplug the dryer. It's always a good idea to unplug the dryer from the wall outlet first to avoid electrical shock. Step 2. Access the control panel. You can use a nut driver or a screwdriver to remove the screws. I'm using a nut driver that goes around the head of the screw so that I don't strip the screw. There's several screws and this tool makes it easy for you to remove the back plate. Make sure that you keep all of your screws together so that you have them when it's time to put things back in place. Stay with me because I want to show you everything and build your confidence for this project. If you need a little help with your wrist, you can also use a socket wrench set. I want you to know that this is one of the easier dryer DIYs you can get into. Take a look at how I'm removing the back plate. Step 3. Locate the timer. Did you know that a dryer timer controls the duration and sequence of a drying cycle? Step 4. Take a photo of the wiring. It's a good idea to take a photo of any wiring project before you start so you can remember how it looks. Step 5. Remove the wires. Step 6. Remove the old timer. Step 7. Install the new timer. A great thing about this project is that all of the leads match the plugs. It makes it easier for you to put things back together. Step 8. Reassemble the control panel. Installing a new timer is a simple job. You just needed to see how to do it. The back plate slides back in and you can already see where the screws go. Step 9. Test the dryer. This is an easy DIY dryer timer replacement. Now it's time to test the dryer to make sure that it works.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you received any value from it, give us a like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, you can DIY too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.